Hello guys, today I'm very excited for showing you this product that I received, that it's a heated eyelashes curler. And well, when you open this product, we can see that it comes like this. Okay, it's like a pen, so I like it a lot. When you open it, it looks like this, the product. And I like because you turn it on just with one click, and it has like four modes of temperature. The first one is 55, then the second one is 65, the third one 75, and the fourth one 85. Okay, so I'm going to be trying with you. Like, I already applied in this side. It doesn't feel like super hot, so I think that it helps a lot. But I also want to tell you that the first time you apply it, be careful, because if you don't if you don't are like an expert using these products, maybe you can feel it a little bit weird. So I already have here the product, and I'm going to show you. You need to put it like in this part down like this and press. Okay, do like this, that you can see I'm doing this, and you need to leave it there for 3 to 5 seconds, and then repeat the process until you get like comfortable with the results. Okay, so I'm going to do it with this eye. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I take it off, and then I apply it another time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then I take it off, and another time. And I'm going to be doing this until I feel good with my results. Okay, then the first step is finish with the final coat of mascara and use a comb to separate lashes. Okay, so I'm going to put another time mascara. I have it here. I want to show you, well, first I want to show you the effect it gets. It's super curled my lash, so I like that a lot. I want to show you this side. Okay, now I'm going to be putting another coat of mascara, and then we're going to use this product to separate all my lashes. Okay, okay, finally the product, it looks like this. Look how beautiful it looks. My lash, I want to show you also this side. It looks super incredible. And well, this is the final product. And remember, you also have this one, but I will use this one like to clean this part, because maybe it can has here a little bit of mascara that you can see there. It's a little bit, so I'm going to be using this one to clean it. Okay, and this one to separate, and obviously this one to curl my lashes. I hope you like it.